Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Ever wonder how easy it is to reinstall a screen protector after completely removing it from your phone? Some companies say it's no problem because their screen protectors are such high quality. Shellrus says you can do it with their Sapphire screen protectors. I had to take off my Shellrus Sapphire last week to install RhinoShield's 3D Impact screen protector on my 13 Pro. Let's see if I can put it back on. So to start off with, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Remember that dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector installation. So you're going to need to clean your screen. I have this alcohol prep pad that I'm going to use to clean my screen after I remove the RhinoShield 3D Impact from it. I also have a couple leftover dust removal stickers from Flow Lab that I'm going to use to help me remove any remaining dust. I also have the original installation frame that came with the Shellrus Sapphire screen protector, as well as this nice little lifting tool, which will be helpful if I need to lift up the Sapphire screen protector for any reason, for example, to remove dust that might have gotten trapped underneath there. Finally, I have a whole bunch of tape. So first off, I'm going to remove the RhinoShield 3D Impact screen protector. Very nice screen protector. It was a pleasure to have it on the phone. Next, I'm going to clean my screen. Going to use these leftover Flow Lab dust removal stickers in order to remove any remaining dust. Next, I'm going to take the original Sapphire screen protector installer and put it over the phone. Note that there is a top and a bottom to this, so you got to be sure to put it on right. And then I'm going to take all of this tape off my Sapphire screen protector. So when I took this off the phone last week, I swathed it in tape all over on the sticky side. So theoretically, this is going to catch any dust that was on there, and it's going to prevent any more dust from getting on there. I'm going to take this off carefully, hopefully not get any more dust on the screen of my phone, and then put it into place. So this comes off really quite easily, no issues there. Of course, you need to be careful not to touch the adhesive side of your screen protector when doing this. So once you remove the screen protector from its temporary tape backing, what Shellrus recommends that you do is take a clean piece of tape and go over the whole screen protector again. Make sure that there is no dust on either side of the screen protector. You should also check over your phone one more time to remove any remaining dust. Then carefully lay your screen protector down within the confines of the installer. So initially I'm seeing a lot of bubbles here, but hopefully they're going to come out. Okay, so far the reinstallation is looking really good, but I do notice there's an area up here which has a little bubble here, and then there's a slight line over here. So I'm going to use this cool lifting tool, and I'm going to lift this up and see if there's anything underneath there that's causing a problem. It's looking better, but we do still have a little spot here on the side. Trying to rub this one out with my fingernail. And the final result is absolutely perfect. I did have a few bubbles in the process of getting this reinstalled, but I was able to get rid of all of them. And as you can see, we have an absolutely perfect alignment and things look just exactly the same. So really impressed. So if you're the kind of person that likes the ability to take off a screen protector, for example, if you're using a waterproof case and it doesn't fit with a screen protector and you don't want to throw away your screen protector, you certainly might want to consider this method of taking it off and putting it on tape and setting it aside and then reinstalling it. really worked extremely well, at least for the Shellrus Sapphire screen protector. Not sure that this is going to work for all screen protectors, but probably good quality ones like this one you're going to be able to do it with. And as you can see, just a perfect result. Again, we've been looking at the Shellrus Sapphire screen protector for iPhone 13 Pro. This product is available directly from Shellrus.com and it has an MSRP of $78, but you can save 10% by using the affiliate coupon you'll find in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at Shellrus for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.